Hello.
Hello, how are you?
I'm good. I'm good. How are you?
Yeah, good too.
Sorry for being late.
It's okay, it's okay. You are also working, na?
Yeah, yeah. That's
Okay, so have you go through the book?
uh, the thing is, I couldn't go through the book. I couldn't get enough time to go through it. So
Okay.
just a bit in the this in MS project. I have
Okay.
tried. Yeah.
Uh, okay, so do you want me to just go through take class according to the book or normal it's okay?
I don't mind. At the end, I just want to learn about it. So
Okay, no problem. See, actually, from the book, something we have, na. So otherwise, we can do our own also. No problem.
yeah.
Okay, so first I will start with how to insert task. Okay, so here in task menu, we have insert section. In this, we have this drop down. We have task, recurring task, the task which is going to reoccur so that we can able to create like automatically. And we can also go for blank row like that. So for example, I will just put um so first task. So
Hmm.
new task. Okay,
Hmm.
consider this as A. So at duration, I will put some days. Okay, by default, it will take days only. When you put 5 enter, it will take days. Okay, now I am just going for a summary task. So summary task in the sense it will automatically come as a summary that we can able to put. So this is I'm putting summary one.
Okay.
Okay. So when I'm putting this auto schedule, it will try to follow the current project calendar. So that we can able to modify from. So project information, and here
Hmm.
you can able to change that we've seen already.
Okay.
Okay. Apart from that, we seen a task and then summary task. But if you
Hmm.
want to insert milestone, I will put milestone. So
Hmm.
milestone, I will put started. So milestone is something which will be having 0 days and it will be in a diamond symbol. Okay, that also we can put a auto schedule so that it will automatically get updated. No need to worry about. Now
Hmm.
with this I will go for relationship. So how to go for relationship? One method here you can able to choose. So just maximizing the divider and then here so you can just choose a predecessor. Before A started, we need to put, right? So we can put the ID. The ID here is 2. So you can put directly 2. So that
Hmm.
finish to start. Okay. So normally if you're putting also insert task, it will be insert task similar to the insert task.
Hmm.
Okay. But this, there is shortcut for auto schedule control shift A.
Control plus.
Shift A.
Okay. Control plus 50.
The same for manual schedule, control shift M.
Okay.
Control shift A, control shift M. Okay. So now I am just going to tell you another method of putting relationship. You can double click it. When you're
Hmm.
double clicking it, then you will get the task information. Okay, this is applicable for everywhere. If you are in resource sheet, then if you're double clicking the particular row, you will get the resource information.
Hmm.
Okay, so when you are going here, we cannot put predecessor. Only we have predecessor tab. We don't have
Hmm.
successor. That if you want, we can customize, but not needed. Now I am just selecting the task here. Successor, I want A.
Hmm.
And here we can select finish to start, a start to start, this kind of relationship. Now I will put a start to start, which means both will start together. And there is no
Hmm.
lag. If I'm putting lag, then after 2 days, this B will start. So can you understood start to start relationship, but 2 day lag we have.
Okay.
So the same here we can also put in we can type what we want. So I will put another also. So I will put the same, okay, or same, we can put some other days. So for better understanding. So I will select auto schedule. Now I will put the 4 SS minus 2. So which means it is having lead. See, can you able to see that 4 SS na? So before 2 days it is starting.
Okay.
Okay. Apart from that, I want only 4 SS as of now. So then you can able to see the difference.
Okay.
But 4 SS, you can put F2 to edit F2, and then I am putting 50%. See, even you can put the percentage. So then automatically 50% of the this one 2.5 day, which means 2.5 day lag. Got it?
Okay.
Okay, this is very simple.
Or 2.5 day. Okay, 50%.
Yeah. But here we can able to see which is Saturday, Sunday holiday. That is also displaying. That's why we are seeing the bar is bigger. Actually 2.5 day means here it is. So after holiday and then 2.5 day. So totally 5 day. But because of the in between Saturday, Sunday, we have 7.
Okay.
You understood, like the bar looking bigger, na? That's why I'm clarifying you. Okay.
Yeah.
Okay. So you don't have any problem with assigning relationship and then putting task, right?
Yeah, I understood this.
This is the basic. This is also the complete MS project. Without this, we can't do anything, na? So again, I will just go for milestone, which means like finished. So finished. So again, you can also use this method. See, just hold, don't click, just keep your cursor on top of some task, then clicker. So click with the right, so left click in the mouse and then drag and drop. This is also another method. So drag and then drop. So when you are dragging, you need to be careful, but don't use this method. Okay. Got it? It will go finish to start by default. Okay.
Okay.
So apart from that, I will put another, for example, A, B, C, and then 2, 4, 6, like that. So now I will select everything, right click. There is something called link activity. So if the link activity is not coming here, you can just select here. This is the link activity. Control F2, the shortcut. So Control F2. So it will be finished to start. So Control Shift A for auto schedule. Okay, again, if you want to put a summary task, no need to go here. This is actually a method, or you can just right click and you can also go for a insert task. It will come with a blank row, not blank row. It will come with a new task. Then you can put summary 2. Okay, so summary 2, but I will try to put this in indent. Then that it becomes a summary. So inside summary 1, we have summary 2 also. If you want to take it outside, you can go for outdent. So both separate. 2 summaries we have. These are all the shortcuts. These are all the techniques to input a task and then relationships. Okay.
Okay. So A, B, C, I will have to select this, all of this, and
Control F2, or you can use this one,
or I can use this one. So it will be automatically linked with like each activity start to finish, like that, right?
No, finish to start. That's the right term. Once it will finish, then it will start. Finish to start. Finish to start. Yeah. So for finish to start, no need to put 8 FS. Only number is enough. It is because that is the default. But when you are putting lag, you can't put 9 plus 2. It will take 11 or something. It won't take 9 FS plus 2. You need to put, but only 9 FS. No need to put FS. 9 itself enough.
Okay.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay, so this na. So recurring task we will see blank row, it will come. For example, here you can able to select and you can go for insert blank row. See, blank row is coming. So blank row is different. Insert task is different. When you are inserting task also coming. When if you want to delete, you can select and right click and you can able to go for delete task. Or you can hit the delete in the keyboard. So when you're putting delete also, it will be deleted. Both right click and delete button.
Understood.
Yeah. Okay, if you want to make this as inactive, this we seen for an example, but we don't want it now. In later stage we want. So what we can make, we can right click and go for inactive. So inactive task, or you can also go here. This is not applicable for the standard version. This is only available in professional version. Okay, this is inactive. So later we can able to make use of by putting again active. The same for active and inactivate the task. Okay. For example, you might be taking some 15 floor as a template. So later you are going to only deal with the 10 floor. So the rest of the 5 floors we can put inactive. Any extension in the future, then we can make use of like that. Okay, this is what it is. Then we can also go for a blank row. If you have anything from Outlook, we can also import the Outlook task here. So it will come here as a task, but now I don't have Outlook credential. If you have, then you can try. Now Outlook, we will be having some task.
Yeah, I understood.
That you can import. Okay. Okay, recurring task we will see. I will just select here and then I will go for a recurring task. So task name, I will put some kind of meeting. So meeting we will be having every week. Okay. On which day? Every week on Sunday, for example. You can choose whatever you want. Sunday, we will be having meeting. Then when you are going to start, so it will take the current date. You can put whatever the date, the start, and we can also put the number of occurrences. When you are putting number of occurrences something, then automatically the date it will come. Okay, even you can choose the calendar. So standard calendar I will go with.
Okay.
Okay, can you see the meeting? It is automatically creating. So every week, 100 occurrences. Now that's why it is having 100 meetings. Okay. See 495 days. Actually 100 occurrences, but as per the thing, it is coming as 495 days without including weekend. If you are including weekend, then it will be even more. Okay. If you want to edit, double click. When you double click, recurring task information, it will come. That is what it is. Whenever you click double, then it will come with the information window. Then you can change something. So I will put like 10 occurrences. Then automatically it will become June 2022. So it is asking 10 of the meeting tasks will occur during non-working time because of as per our calendar. Project can reschedule the task to occur at the first available working time. To reschedule the 10 task occurrences, click yes. So it will automatically, it will reschedule for us. To not create the 10 task occurrences, click no, it won't create. To stop the operation, we can put cancel. I will put yes. Okay, then we can able to see what the changes. So when you're putting yes, we are just ignoring the command. Anyway, we want our meeting on Sundays. So 17, we will see 17 is Sunday, right? So and then 24 is Sunday. Okay, no issue. Like that, you can able to make use of a recurring task. But here it will come automatically in a manual schedule mode. Okay.
Okay.
And here you can go to view and then go to entire project. We can able to see the entire project. Whatever it is, the time scale, it will be shrink to the entire project.
Okay.
So these are all the summary bar.
Okay.
If you want to modify something here, right, we can go for bar style. So bar style, and then I will go for summary, and you can able to click here and you can put some changes if you want. See here the shape, this one, right? If you want some other shape. So this shape, and even the shape at the end. Okay, but even the shape here also a little bit thicker. So you can change the color if you want. Color black itself, it's okay. Automatic color. This one, okay. So like that, we can able to choose whatever we want. Okay. See now the changes. I will just go for some other things also in that. So for example, rolled up task. So these things, task, normal task. Okay. Even you can change the color if you want. Some green color if you want. See now everything it became green. Okay. This is not changing. Why? Because this is recurring task.
Correct.
Yeah. Okay, but when you are rolling up, right? For example, when you are rolling up, the task is not visible. But if you want to make it visible, you can just go here. So in format, we have in format menu, we have something called layout. Okay, when you click the layout here, always roll up Gantt bars. Okay, and here you can able to see round bars to whole days or show bar splits. But I am just putting this also. Always roll up Gantt bars. Hide roll up bars when summary expanded. No. Can you see that? We are not hiding, na? That's why it is coming. But when you are going for layout, again, when you are putting hide, then it will be hidden. The which means the summary bar itself hidden. So these are all the things. So this is the difference. That color you can able to change. Actually, that's what here we have. So roll up task still in blue color. That's why it was blue when we are doing. Okay. Okay. And apart from that, here also we have similar to the MS Word, MS PowerPoint, like that. See, in PowerPoint also we will be having different templates, right? Like that, we can also go here. Whatever you want, it will take some particular colors combination. You will be having many styles, okay? Presentation, scheduling styles, okay? No need to change manually. You can choose any one of this also, okay? But by default, this is what it is. Okay. But here, if you want to see the critical, how you will see critical? So critical is something having zero float. Okay, I will just go here and I will select critical task. Then it will show the critical task. So here nothing is critical. No, it should be, it will show, it should show actually. So slack in the sense float. See here we are getting some slacks.
Correct.
Yeah. So, but critical task, why it is not coming? So everything it show critical. Maybe we did something, even formatting and everything. I will try to save it. And apart from that, we also have format project summary task. Actually, it is in project 1, right? But we can save, or I will just remove it. Now I will save it. So now we can able to put project summary task, then it will come with the file name. Then you can change also, rename F2 and rename. This is the whole project summary task. This is the summary tasks. Okay. Even you can able to put outline number. See, when you are putting outline number, you are getting something like this 1.1 like that. Okay, but apart from outlet number, we can also go for WBS. So right click and insert WBS. So you will get the same here. This is better. Okay. Outline number also similar to WBS, but only number, but WBS we can customize also. So for example, here you have, right, where? So in project, we have a WBS define code. Here you can able to put whatever you want. For example, first I will start with the uppercase. Okay, length I will choose a 2 so that it will come as a preview AA, and lowercase any, it will come automatically if in that case any, and then I will go for a number. Then when you click OK, accordingly it will change. Okay. If you want to change again also, I will put this also any, automatically it will choose. But it is not changing now. Okay, then what we need to do in the sense, renumber entire project, then only it will try to renumber. So here we can define and we can also renumber it. Okay. If you don't want, you can hide also, hide column.
Okay.
If you want successor also, we can get successor column. So when you're putting predecessor, successor, it is automatically coming. See, successors, we not put anything, it will automatically take. See, this is automatically it is taking because any one is enough. So the next one, it is like automatically it will taken. So don't confuse yourself with both unless otherwise you are precise. So put any one, then automatically the other will come. Otherwise, if you are concentrating on both, the circular reference, it will come scheduling conflict it is.
Okay.
Okay, I will hide it anyway. So here in task menu, simple thing. See, here you can also go for a different views. See, we are in Gantt chart, right? We can also go for calendar. So then we can able to see the calendar view. Calendar view also, it is in a month. Even you can custom the dates or week, even you can go for week. Next week, or it is just going one by one. Okay, this is monthly basis, it will go. Custom, we can also select the dates. Okay. So this is good if you want to see what you are doing first, but until I will select the whole April month, or I will just select until this one. So you can able to see all together. Okay, this we can custom and everything we can do. No need to worry. Month itself better. Okay, but apart from that, here we have, even here you can right click here. See here in the vertical calendar, here right click and go for Gantt chart. Right click and go for network diagram. See, we can able to see the network diagram of what we did. See, network diagram also having, this is, if it is like this shape, then it is like a milestone. If it is like this, then it is like a task. If it is in red color, then which means like a critical. Okay. Okay, if you want to go back Gantt chart, here also we have, this is also again Gantt chart. Okay, but critical is showing there in the network diagram, but here it's not showing. I will go for format and I will put critical again. Maybe here we change critical critical task. We did some changes here. Maybe some software glitches there. Critical, it should show in a red color. Critical, right? See, it is in a red color. Maybe it is a recurring task, right? That's why. I will try to put something like more number of days. Then it will show that is critical. See, can you see that now it is like showing the critical task? Because whenever it is like a longest duration and which is also having zero float, then it is like critical. So when you're putting 25, because we also having recurring task, but recurring task, I will put, okay, it depends on that actually. Now you understood what is critical and something. So even you can check the slack here. I will go for an insert column. I will go for total slack. See, wherever it is 0, then it is like critical. Wherever it is having some value, then which means like it is non-critical, which means it is having the flexibility. So total float or total slack is something. Whenever you are going to change this particular activity, when we are delaying this particular activity, the total project not going to be affected unless otherwise the delay should be less than 44.5 days. Again, I will go for a free slack also. So free slack is different. So, but free slack also should be 0, then only it will be a critical path. So free slack is something going to affect only the immediate successor. So if you are delaying this particular activity alone up to 44.5 days, then it is not going to disturb the immediate successor. But if you are putting 47 like that, then it will affect the immediate successor, and also it will affect the whole project also sometimes. That is free slack and total slack.
Okay. It's all about duration.
It's all about duration and then the calculation. So I will tell you that one also, like what you mean by free slack, total slack. I have the Excel sheet with me. This is what the basic network diagram, how to draw a network diagram, I will show in the Excel sheet. This is a simple example, only 5 tasks. Can you able to see my Excel sheet?
Yeah, I can see.
Which is having A, B, C, D, E, and also having predecessor, and also having duration. Now I am just going to have this template: yearly start, activity, yearly finish, and next row, late start, duration, late finish. Okay. So I will start with 0 day, right? Once it is completing, then 5. So yearly start 0, yearly finish 5 for particular year. This diagram we can able to draw as per the predecessor and successor. See, for A, we have B and C successor, or for B and C, we have A predecessor. So the same, like that we can able to put the network diagram. Now this 5 we can able to carry forward, and then we can put the duration, total duration, 5 plus 3, 8, 5 plus 4, 9 here. But you need to carry the 9 here, 9 plus 2, 11, 11 plus 3, 14. Obviously, we completed ES and EF. Now I am going to LS and LF. So LF, you can take the 14 as we taken 0, but we need to put minus here. Before we are putting 9 plus 2, 11, 11 plus 3, 14. Now 14 minus 3, 11. 11 minus 2, 9. So that LS, LF calculation, it will come. So 9 only we need to carry forward. So 9, 5. 9 minus 3, 6. So here we should not take 6. We should take the same 5. What you taken here, the same you should take here, 5 and then 0. Now we can use the total float, free float formula. So total float is something this minus this or this minus this. Both it will be same only. But free float is something this minus this. Okay, again this minus this 1. So again, 9 minus 9, 0. That's why here 0. So that's what. So the critical path in this network diagram is ACDE. Okay, if you are changing the particular B for more than one day, it will affect the whole project end dates, because only we have one float, total float 1 and free float 1. So we can able to delay the particular activity for one day. So float or slack both remains the same. Okay, the term only varies. So got it, na?
I couldn't understand this, to be honest.
Oh, okay. Actually, this when we are writing in the board, it is easy. Okay, I will tell. See, from A, right? So take this as A, or I will just put here. See how I draw from A, na B and C successor, right? So I will put a B and then C here. And then B and C, we have D successor, or D, we have B and C predecessor. So D, E is the successor. Now we need to put the duration here. This is the template I have chosen. So you can put whatever, but we need to calculate accordingly. So I will put 5, so 3, 4, and then 2, 3. Okay. So here we need to start with 0, but it will end with 0 plus 5. But here you will carry forward the same. But here you will put this plus this. Here again the same. Okay, again here we should take this one and this plus this. So understood, na? So 11 and then, so totally 14 days. So again, you should take the same, but minus this. Okay, again this one it will come, but this minus this. When we are going in the yearly start, yearly finish, it should go for forward pass. You need to add, we need to put addition. But when we are going for a backward pass, late start, late finish, we will get. But you need to subtract. Got it? And then here, like we need to take the same, not this one. Okay. Because when we are going forward pass, we select only 9. That's why you should select the same. Now, as per the thing, total float, free float is coming. So here we have the formula. So total float, na, this minus this, na, 5 minus 5, 0, 9 minus 8, 1. But free float, 9 minus 8, which means yearly start of the successor activity minus yearly finish of the current activity, means free float. So got it, huh?
Yeah.
Okay. So that's what we are getting here, the thing. But that is like a small example. But for big project, it is difficult for manual calculation, so that the software it will do automatically. So if you want some time, you can just go through all these things. So after 15 minutes, we can continue.
Yeah.
Okay.
Sir, the thing is, at 2 o'clock, I will have to go. I didn't plan it, but like just got an urgent meeting at 2 o'clock. So can we continue it by tomorrow?
Okay, no problem. Tomorrow I will let you know. Maybe other students not coming, we can continue maybe in the afternoon 3:30 like that.
Yeah, extremely sorry, sir. The thing.
Okay, no issue. Like anyway, we've seen lots of topics today, so you can practice these things. Okay.
I'll practice it, and I will also go through for the book which you have sent me. I'll read it.
Okay. Because now you understood so many things. Now, then now when you're reading the book, it is very easy for you to understand. Maybe you might be completing soon all the exercises. Yeah.
Yeah. And sir, one more thing, what I was asking, is there any examples in that book so I could, practice it?
Of course, the whole book is an example. If you are doing all the exercises one by one, then the complete project it will be done.
Okay, that's great. And apart from this, actually, I also want to learn Word because I am very weak in Word. So will you be able to teach me that also?
No, but I am not teaching Word here. But I know that also. Before I was teaching, but nowadays I'm not teaching here. There is some other guy. You were asking for course, right? Word. Then you can approach the same Shravya. So she will guide. She will assist in
No
this
problem.
case.
I'll ask her. No problem. No issue.
Okay.
So we'll continue maybe tomorrow, sir. Yeah.
Okay.
Okay then, sir. Thank you so much.
Okay. Thank you.
Thank you.
Bye.